And going back to a compressor, for example, where you would go to the sidechain option at the right top. And here you can select the path it needs to walk to get to the original signal. So in my case, I want to link it to my kick drum, which is lined up as first here in this little menu. And it will now listen from a side angle to what the impulse of my kick drum is doing. And it works like this. So at the compressor, at the instrument that you want to sidechain is now listening to the impulse of what the kick is giving here. And you can change by all these settings about what kind of an extreme you want to have it to listen to the kick drum. Playing the actual instrument, as you can hear, it is quite aggressive right now, but this is the classic way of sidechaining. You go to an instrument, you'll add the compressor to it, and you're going to select where it needs to listen to. So it really is going for a side path. You know, it is not a direct line, and that is the reason why it was called sidechain. You can connect it to the side to another instrument.